Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can download and install Java JDK and set the Java environment variables. First of all, let's download Java JDK. The link to download Java JDK is given in the description. Okay, this is the site where you can download Java JDK. Click in this radio button to accept license agreement. My Windows 10 is 64-bit, so I am downloading Java JDK 8U191 Windows x64 exe. Start download. Okay, my download has completed. Downloads. Double click to install it. Click next. Click OK. Click next. Till that time, let's open command prompt. Press Windows plus R key, type CMD, click enter. We can check whether our Java JDK has been installed or not. So it says it is not recognized as an internal or external command because it is not installed yet. Okay, install successfully. Let's type it again, JAVA version. So it shows Java version and it is installed successfully. Now we need to check whether our Java JDK environment is set properly or not. For that you need to type JAVA-C. So it is not recognized. So we need to set some environment variables. Okay, for that we need to go to C drive, press Windows plus E command to open up the computer. Click in program files, Java, JDK, bin, click over here. Now you need to copy this address, copy it. Right click in this PC, properties, system protection, click in advanced, environment variables. Now in path, in system variables path, click in edit. Now you need to delete it, this one you need to delete it. Click in new, paste the copied address, go in Java, JRE, bin, copy the address, click new, paste. Once again go in Java, JDK, copy this address without bin, go in user variables, click in new, type JAVA underscore HOME home, paste it, click OK, click OK, OK, you can close it. Now your Java home is set successfully. Thank you for watching.